Hi guys, welcome to TeleZ Update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Finally, Jodha shocked Ruqayya by exposing her in the Mughal Sultanate. During the season finale of Jodhar Akbar, Toddarmal notifies Jodha that a consumer has requested the spice product, despite the fact that the purchase is due in 7 days. Jodha advises him to beg for some time to deal with the situation. She now believes that someone is attempting to destroy the company. Moti also notices the servants who opened the storage windows during the rain to harm the spices. She learns that they are Ruqayya's servants. She informs Jodha right away. Jodha believes she needs to force Ruqayya to confess to the crime. She devises a strategy. Moti enters the kitchen and informs a cook that Jodha has apprehended the perpetrators of the spice mistake. She says it in such a manner that the maids can hear her, and it works. Soon after, Jodha receives word that the maids have hurried to Ruqayya's chamber. Moti is instructed by Jodha to notify Hamida, Salima, and Rahim. The maids enter Ruqayya's chamber and inform her that they would be exposed shortly. Ruqayya tells them that nothing will happen, they just keep their mouths quiet and no one will suspect Ruqayya of being behind the spice trade's missteps. Jodha joins the others in the room and declares that all has been revealed, and she will not forgive Ruqayya this time since she has insulted the farmer's work and the Mughal Empire's dignity. Jodha has Hamida's backing. Ruqayya becomes enraged with Jodha and tells Rahim to keep her confined to her room. Hamida also begs Ruqayya to act appropriately with Jodha because she is Mariam Uz Zamani. Jodha chooses to keep Ruqayya in her room under tight surveillance till Jalal returns. Murad, on the other hand, receives a letter from Janissar requesting that he be prepared to assume control of the kingdom. Murad, on the other hand, is unable to find a solution. By then, Salim has arrived. He hides the note, but Salim discovers it when she tosses the glass of drink away. She becomes enraged with Murad and slaps him across the face for plotting against his father Jalal. She tells Murad to take the direct route to Jodha. Under the influence of alcohol, Murad acts impulsively with Jodha. He expresses his dissatisfaction at not receiving the job he seeks. Jodha promises to hand up the Diwan-e-Khas post he desires. Murad is an extremely emotional person. He confesses to the crime of collaborating with British officers to capture Jalal. When Jodha Begum learns about this, he is taken back. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.